The following presentation is aimed at raising public awareness of an initiative to support you to make plans about your future care. The presentation will only take a few minutes to watch, and we hope it will show you how deciding right can help you make choices and plans now for care you may need in the future. Deciding right is about making the right decisions for you. Can I ask you to take a moment to think about the following questions? Have you or does someone you care for have a serious health problem? Do you know who can help you or someone you care for to make decisions and plans about your future care? Do you know how deciding right can help you or someone you care for? What would happen if you became unwell? So unwell perhaps that you were unable to make decisions for yourself or even speak for yourself. Express the important things you would like the people caring for you to know about you, and tell them what you do and do not want to happen to you. This is where deciding right can help. Have you heard about deciding right? Over the next few minutes, I hope to answer the following questions. What is deciding right? How can it help you and help the people who care for you? Who can help you make your plans? Where can you get more information? Whilst you are well, you can simply say what you do and do not want to happen to you. However, should you become unwell or unable to express yourself, then deciding right ensures that wherever possible, your wishes are carried out. Deciding right is about you as an individual having the right to make decisions about your care in advance. Making plans in advance allows those who care for you to know your wishes should there be a time in the future when you may be unwell or unable to speak for yourself. This is known as advanced care planning. Advanced care planning involves a process of discussion between you and those who care about you and for you. How can deciding right help you? Making those decisions in advance involves two experts. The first expert is you. The second expert is the nurse or doctor or care professional involved in your care. People have the right to make decisions in advance. Deciding right is about making sure that you are involved in decisions being made about your future care and treatment, and to make clear your wishes about your future care. This is known as advanced care planning, and it involves a process of discussion between you and those who care about you and for you. How can deciding right help you? An important principle of deciding right is that all care professionals involved in your care use the same documents to record your choices. Using the same recognisable documents helps the nurses, doctors and staff involved in your care to support you and care for you as an individual. The paper documents belong to you. With your permission, should be shared with the people involved in your care. Below are some examples of the documents that can be used to support you in documenting your care preferences. The examples shown serve different purposes, and one or more may be useful to you individually at different times. The most important part of the process is having the conversation, talking about your future care, what you would or would not like to happen. Deciding right offers some documentation as a means of recording those decisions, so that if in the future you become unwell and unable to speak for yourself, your care decisions are known and respected. How can deciding right help the people who care for me? If the people who care for you know in advance that you have made choices and decisions about your care and what you would and would not want to happen to you, then should you be unable to speak for yourself, everyone will know what care or action you would wish to happen and what you expressly do not want to happen. Who can help me make my plans? The most important place to start is having the conversation. The best person to help you make plans is the person you feel most able to talk to. Talking to the people who care about you and the professionals involved in your care is a good place to start. All health and care professionals have access to Deciding Right documentation. Where can I find out more information about Deciding Right? You can visit the website, just click on the link below or download the app.